Hello. Today we're going to look at the distance formula. This is the distance formula between 2 points. So from this first point here, the second point here. This is a straight line distance. It's not a curvy distance or anything like that. So we won't be measuring this distance like this. Just a straight line, plain and simple. We do need to label our points. So for simplicity, this is point x1, y1. This is point x2, y2. So the distance formula is d equals the square root of x2 take away x1 squared plus y2 take away y1 squared. Okay. So, for example, what's the point? This is between the point 2, 4 and the point 6, 7. All you need to do is you actually have to do this part, but I like to do it because it helps me keep track. Is I'm just going to label these. This here is going to be point x1 and y1. This is going to be point x2, y2. It actually doesn't matter which point is which. So the first point could be point 2, the second point could be point 1. But it's easier to make the first one the 1s and the second one the 2s. Now I got d equals the square root. x2 is a 6 minus x1, which is 2 squared, plus y2, which is 7 minus y1, which is the 4 squared. So 4 squared plus 3 squared. Remember, simplify the inside before you take the square root, so it's going to be 16 plus 9, the square root of 25, which is a distance of t is 5. So sometimes you do one of these, you get a nice number like 5. A lot of times you'll get things that are unreducible or, unreducible. Do another quick example. How about 5 minus 2 and 7 minus 5. So I'm going to do the distance between those 2 points. So again, let's make the first point, point 1, and the second point, point 2. So it's x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. It's the formula again, just to remind ourselves. So x2 is our 7 minus x1, which is 5 squared, plus y2 is minus 5, and then minus, right, so this minus here and this minus here, just because they're the same ones. And then a minus y1, which is a minus 2 squared. So these two minuses right here become a plus. So the square root, 7 minus 5 is 2 squared, plus minus 5 plus 2, so minus 5 plus 2, minus 3 squared. Or 4 plus 9 equals the square root of 13. we are. So you could use your calculator and get a decimal approximation for this. This is the exact answer, there's no rounding, so that's probably preferred. So that's the distance formula. Let me know if there are any questions.